Hi, I'm Alex Edmonds, author of What's the Deal with Podcasting? What this book is a broadcasting of everything I've learned about podcasting from hosting the Building an Indie Business podcast. I happen to listen to a lot of stand-up comedy and a lot of comedy content, comedy podcasts, and I started to notice similarities between podcasting and stand-up comedy. And I wanted to share the insights that I got from stand-up comedy and stand-up comedians. And so I decided to write a podcasting book. The content of the book, it will take someone through the different stages of podcasting. So before they launch their podcast, growing their podcast, and once they hit a number of downloads that they like per month, what they can do to help grow the industry. Basically, reading this book will give someone an 18-month education on podcasting in a few hours. I hope you enjoy this book. If you have any feedback, please let me know. Thank you.